what are the messages coming from the pulpit that communicate that welcome? Um, what are the spaces? What are the books in the libraries? How does the curriculum look? Is it always boys and girls? Is it children as well? Brothers, sisters, and siblings? How's your liturgy? How does your choir sing? Is it women's voices and men's voices, or is it upper and lower range voices, right? So I would say if they're not ready to engage a conversation, it's going to be a matter of how do you build a culture that supports this person, whether or not his parents do, because you can't tell them how to parent, and that's not, your job, right? But I think as leaders in these organizations, what we can do is we get to shift culture or do the work of shifting culture, right? Because it's the people who make the culture. So in the bathroom situation, right? One of my pet peeves is when you end up with, I was being facetious when I did gays and lesbians, right? Because what about if you're bisexual, right? And so when you have men, women, if I'm neither of those, where do I go? And so you have to do that math, that Debbie did, like, well, how are they going to read me? Which one's going to be less threatening to other people, right? So, but if you get into the bathroom and you find out it's a single stall bathroom, well, why are those bathrooms gendered? How many of y'all have gendered bathrooms in your homes? What is the gender of a toilet, right? And so that's literally a thing you can do today. Look at your physical space. If you have a single stall bathroom, if it does not just say all gender bathroom, take down that sign, print out or handwrite, whatever you got to do, tape it over that. You don't have to do extensive renovation of your bathrooms or whatever else, right? And then be very clear about that. So like those are ways that you communicate welcome without communicating welcome, right? Because it's like more than your words. I've heard a lot of churches say, yeah, you're welcome. Then you show up and then you're actually not. Like, oh, right. Y'all ain't even buy the food yet. Y'all didn't cook. I'm not actually welcome here. Or you cooked food that I don't eat, right? So it's like not just what you say or convincing someone, it's how are you shifting culture? Because the bigger thing with that is, right, is not only have you shown this person, maybe it's my time in Missouri, it's the show me state, you've shown this person, no, we really do. We are committed to welcome. So we're going to not just have white men on our walls. We're going to not just have boys and girls in our book or men, women in our liturgy. And we're going to say specifically cisgender, trans, LGBTQ, anti-racism, from the pulpit. Our leadership is not going to be just cis het white, right? Show me your budget. You know, you say you care about these things. How does your budget look around youth stuff, around whatever else, right? So show me that you really mean you're being welcoming, so that when I do show up, it doesn't feel like I have to teach you, right?